The special intensive revision to 2006 is ongoing in Meghalaya, and as on today, the 28th July 2026, now we entered in our final phase of house to house visit and this enumeration phase. Only one day remaining for the completion of house to house distribution and digitization of the enumeration forms. Before conclusion of this phase of the exercise on the 29th of June 2026. As on today, Meghalaya has achieved remarkable progress in the special intensive revision. Out of total electors, 23,49,645. Total 23,40,764 enumeration form has been distributed, registering an impressive 99.62% coverage across the state, and remaining were not been able to be traced. So simultaneously, 22,78,071 enumeration form have been digitized till today, accounting 96.95% of the total electorate, and remaining 3.05% will also be digitized before the timeline. We had a meeting with the representative of the recognized national and state political parties just before this press meet to review and to brief them about the progress of the special intensive revision and discuss the activities to be completed before publication of draft electoral roll on the 5th August 2026. During the meeting, we shared the latest status of enumeration form distribution and digitization verification of ASDD cases, absentee, shifted, death and duplicate cases, and other field level activities. Political parties were requested to continue extending their full cooperation and to ensure every eligible elector to cover before the conclusion of the special intensive revision. And they have assured full cooperation, and so far we have not received any complaint from end of any political party in the state. So we are really appreciative to their participation and constructive suggestions received throughout this entire SIR process, and acknowledge the important role played by the booth level agent of the political parties. Now more than 1600 booth level agents are there in the state during this SIR process, which was zero before we almost going for the SIR. As part of the various monitoring, we have conducted the regular review meeting, weekly video conferences with the district election officers, electoral registration officers, assistant electoral registration officer to monitor the progress of SIR and address the field level issues and ensure timely completion of all activities in accordance with the timeline prescribed by the Election Commission of India. As part of the verification process, total 2,24,435 electors, around 9.55% of the total electors, have been identified under the no mapping categories. Means neither their name was found in the 2005 SIR electoral roll, nor their parents or grandparents. The progeny also could be established. So this category of people required further verification. So they during the claim and objection phase. So total of 1,49,656 electors, constituting 6.37% of the total electorate, have been identified under the absent, shifted, death and duplicate categories. This includes 74,851 dead electors, 37,914 shifted electors, 28,826 absent electors, 5,899 duplicate entries, and 2,166 electors who refused to submit the enumeration form. All these cases will be processed strictly in accordance with the provision of registration of Electoral Rule 1960 after due verification following the prescribed procedure and providing adequate opportunity to the concerned electors or their family members